Today, let's take once again algebra first chapter, linear equations in two variables. Last time we have seen four methods of solving these equations, of which elimination, substitution, and Cramer's rule we have already studied. Today we will take one more method, and that is graphical method. Every year one question is asked, solve the linear equations graphically, and it is definitely asked for 3 or 4 marks. Now how to solve graphically? Here you have to take the graph paper and you have to draw two lines. Taking the center of the paper, two lines you have to draw, one horizontal and other vertical. Horizontal line is called x-axis, while vertical line is called y-axis, also called ordinate, and x-axis also called abscissa. Where both the lines intersect, that is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Then to the right of x-axis, we will plot the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 8. Or you can still go beyond and take dark lines 1 centimeter equal to 1, 2 centimeter 2 in this way. Same way, left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Above, on y-axis, show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And below y-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. And in this way, get the graph paper ready. Now here we have two equations. We have taken a problem set 1.2. From second, we have taken first equation. And in there, here, two equations are there. The first equation is x plus y is 6. And second equation is x minus y is 4. In fact, we can solve orally also. But we have to solve this graphically. Now say how to solve the graphically. Let us take the first equation. X plus y is equal to 6. And here, express y in terms of x. That is, y is equal to, that is to make y the subject of the equation. So y is equal to 6 and x will become that side. So x is there positive, will become negative. So y is equal to 6 minus x. Then take the values of x, but within the range of 8 and minus 8. Between these two, minus 8 and 8. You can take any value. Don't take beyond that, otherwise the point will go out of the paper. And therefore we have taken minus 2, 0, 5 and 8. Whatever the value of x you may take, it is up to you. You get the corresponding value of y. For example, if we take x equal to, this is x equal to minus 2. Now let me take the equation of x plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus x. So y is equal to 6 minus x. Now in place of x, let us write minus 2. And therefore y is equal to 6 minus minus 2. So 6 minus minus 2 is plus. So y is equal to 6 plus 2 and that is 8. So you have to write it 8. Same way, when you take y equal to x equal to 0, x equal to 0, then y equal to 6, you can write that orally also. When x is 5, so 6 minus 5, and therefore y will become 1. And when x is 8, then 6 minus 8 will become minus 2. Because y is equal to 6 minus 8, and that is equal to minus 2. And therefore the points are minus 2, 8. Here 0, 6, 5, 1, and 8 minus 2. Now here, plot first point and last point and draw a big line, and you get all these points on the line. So here, first point is minus 2, 8. Minus 2, 8. So you will come here, somewhere here. X is minus 2, y is 8. So point is here. Then 0, 6. X 6. X coordinate 6. Y coordinate, x coordinate 0. Y coordinate 6. So point will come here. When x is 5, y is 1, y is 1, and you get the point somewhere here. And when x is 8, y is minus 2, x 8, y is minus 2, and the point will be here. So take the first point and last point and draw a line, and you find the line passes through 6, both 6. Line will pass through both 6. See how it is, because see, when x is 0, y is 6, and y is 0, x is 6. So when x is 0, y is 6, and when y is 0, see here, y is 0, x is 6. So this is the line. Same way, let us take the second equation now. Here x minus y equal to 4, and therefore y is equal to x minus 4. Once again, let's take the values. One always take 0, that will be better to get easy answer. So take x is 0. Now here take positive values 3, 8, and take here suppose minus 4, and get the values of y. Substitute values of x in the equation, get the values of y. So we get y is equal to x, but x is minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, and therefore y is equal to minus 8. So write here y is equal to minus 8. Achha, when x is 0, y is minus 4. Now when x is 3, so in place of x, write 3 here, and you get y is minus 1. So minus 1. And when x is 8, write it 8. You get y is equal to, so 8 minus 4, so 8 minus 4, and y is equal to minus 4, so it is minus 4. And therefore points are minus 4, minus 8, 0, minus 4, 3, minus 1, and 8, minus 4. These are the points. So once again, take the first and the last. The first point is minus 4, minus 8. So x coordinate minus 4, y coordinate minus 8. So x coordinate minus 4 and y coordinate minus 8. So point is somewhere here. Here x coordinate 8, y coordinate minus 4. X coordinate 8, y coordinate is minus 4. So point is somewhere here. And then draw line passing through both the points, and you find that other 2 points are there. And you find that meet somewhere here. See, intersect, both the lines intersect. After drawing the lines, write the equations. The first line is x plus y is equal to 6, and second line is x minus y is equal to 4. Now they intersect somewhere here. So let's take the answer. Let's take the answer. So here we know that x plus y is 6 and x minus y is 4. So plus y minus y cancels.